Welcome to Block 7. This time, we will be reviewing Coastal Courthouse, a residence that perfectly balances privacy and connection to nature. Designed by Bauer Architecture and located in Flinders, Australia, this 368 square meter house was completed in 2018, embodying comfort, sustainability, and long-term livability. Homeowners Michelle and Peter sought a residence that allowed them to stay connected to nature, just as they had enjoyed for 40 years on their family farm. However, they wanted a home that was easy to manage without excessive maintenance. As a result, the design emphasizes natural light, warm materials, and textures that harmonize with the surrounding environment. Situated on a 1,920 square meter plot, the house is nestled among 1970s timber homes in a developing subdivision. To address the uncertainty of the future surrounding context, the architects designed a perimeter that frames a spacious internal landscape while maintaining a strong relationship with nature. With a 5-meter cross fall at the site's corner, an L-shaped design was adopted, following the natural slope of the land. Instead of stairs, internal level changes are navigated entirely through gently sloping ramps, creating a seamless journey that integrates with the landscape. The house is divided into 3 main zones. The entry and guest bedrooms are located on the north side, while the main bedroom and study are positioned at the opposite end. Between them, a central connection zone houses the living, dining, and terrace areas. This linear arrangement not only protects the house from the 2 exposed street frontages, but also defines a large private courtyard. With this approach, traditional fencing is unnecessary, allowing the restored gully and native landscape to remain a part of the streetscape, visible and enjoyable to the public. The design draws inspiration from a balance between highly structured architecture and the wabi-sabi philosophy, which embraces imperfection and the beauty of natural materials. The main materials include rendered masonry walls, timber cladding, and polished concrete floors. These elements not only provide texture and warmth, but also contribute to thermal mass, helping regulate indoor temperatures throughout the year. Passive ventilation ensures energy efficiency and minimal maintenance over time. A key aspect of this project is the seamless integration between architecture and landscape. The architects collaborated closely with Laidlaw in Laidlaw Design and the homeowner, an avid gardener, to create a coastal-inspired garden that blends structured vistas with natural vegetation. Thoughtfully framed views allow natural light to flood every space, providing comfort and tranquility in all seasons and weather conditions. From a sustainability perspective, Coastal Courthouse has achieved a 7-star energy efficiency rating. The reverse veneer masonry structure and insulated concrete slab play crucial roles in regulating the house's temperature. Strategically placed window openings facilitate natural ventilation, reducing the need for artificial cooling. The home's flexible zoning also allows certain areas to be closed off when unoccupied, minimizing energy consumption. Additionally, a large composting area and backyard chickens further reduce the home's environmental footprint. Coastal Courthouse is a perfect example of a residence that adapts to its surroundings while prioritizing the needs of its inhabitants. With its simple yet innovative design, the house celebrates the dynamic coastal landscape and a lifestyle that values sustainability, natural beauty, and long-term comfort. More than just a home, it demonstrates how architecture can harmonize with nature and enhance the well-being of its occupants. That concludes our review of Coastal Courthouse. We hope this home serves as inspiration for those looking for sustainable, comfortable, and nature-integrated design ideas. Stay tuned to Block 7 for more architectural explorations.